It's been the usual practice in Nigeria that people or the political party at the federal level uses, their power and that position to make sure that they retain power. They use this power to intimidate other candidates from other political parties just to show that we are in charge here, we have that power, we can do and undo. One of such situation is the situation of where the incident, pardon me, of where Peter Obi went to Ibadan with his crew, with his campaign team, and they were grounded. Their plane could not take off because the power to be say so. They were not allowed to use their plane, although the management at the airport has, come out to say that it has nothing to do with politics. It wasn't an order from anybody, but we all know how it goes in Nigeria. We all know how these things happen. These things happen all the time, even in different states. The power, the one that has the power at the moment uses that power to make sure that they intimidate or they intimidate other political parties and to make sure that they retain power. Before we go ahead with the details of today's news, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell, give this video a massive thumbs up. Don't forget also to leave your comment in the comment section. Let's discuss and share opinions in the comment section. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the details of today's news. There was a mild drama at the Lagos airport on Wednesday when the supporters of a presidential candidate of the Labour Party and some party chieftains were prevented from boarding a campaign plane for their rally in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital. The Deputy Director General and Campaign Manager for Labour Party Presidential Campaign Organization, Osheloka Obazi, was the first to raise the alarm following a report that the plane had been grounded. The former Nigerian diplomat took to his verified Twitter handle on Wednesday to tweet that the obedient aircraft was grounded by the powers that be, citing regulatory reasons. When contacted, the national chairman of a party, Julius Abure, confirmed the report. He said, and I quote, "We have just finished our rally in Ibadan. It is true that the plane meant to convey our NWC and NEC members for campaign was grounded by the powers that be, but we were not deterred by the plane that was grounded. This is what we have been saying about this country. It is not the first time it is happening. They have been using every opportunity to ensure we don't get to do anything in this country." Also, the head of media for OBDT Presidential Campaign Organization, Deron Onifade, released a statement to express the PPC's displeasure at the turn of events. However, in his response, the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority denied the allegations and explained that the plane belonged to a scheduled operator. It said, "The so-called grounded plane belongs to a scheduled operator that is normal commercial flight. The flight crew of a said aircraft returned to the base on their own to check on an issue that developed soon after it took off. This is the normal and right thing to do. What they did is what we termed security precautionary flight measures. NCAA was not involved in this decision." Meanwhile, Obi promised citizens that he would not build on tribalism and religion if elected in 2023 and assured them of its plan to secure the country and unite its citizenry. I would love to mention number one that I'm even surprised, I'm shocked that Obi got, so that kind of crowd in Ibadan. It's Yoruba land. You would expect that everybody will be in support of Tinubu. You would expect that Tinubu will have the highest number of people turn up for his campaigns. But here we have an Igbo man, an Igbo man who is not a Yoruba man, pulling such crowd in Yoruba land. That is very, very, very deserving of Peter Obi. Now back to the main issue. The thing is, it's either that what the management of the airport said is actually true, that the aircraft actually developed, some fault. But on the other hand, if the flight had actually developed, technical faults or anything, why would they now fly the aircraft back to Lagos? Like, why? It could have, the plane could have crashed on the way. Like, why not just wait and then take back the people, like the occupants of a plane, back to Lagos, and then you attend to the fault instead of just flying back an empty plane? You guys get what I'm talking about. Let me know what you think in the comment section, because I'm just torn between the two. I don't know for sure which one to go for. Is it that the plane actually developed faults on their way from Lagos to Ibadan, and then they decided to fly to Lagos with an empty aircraft? Or is it that there was no difficulty, there was no problem with the plane? Maybe they just got an order somewhere, somehow, from above, saying that they just wanted to stress Peter Obi and his team members, just wanted to give them a little bit of trouble, you know, and then that was why they did that. Because I don't understand if a plane actually has technical problem, technical error or something, you would not want to risk the plane and fly it back to Lagos. You would want to attend to it like on the ground there, because you don't want to risk a plane crash. So why fly back an empty plane? That is the only thing that I don't understand in all this. Let me know what you all think in the comment section. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the post notification bell as well, so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever we upload a new video. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.